Hello guys and welcome back. It's actually 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. right now. I'm recording this video. I'll have this video up in the morning around market open. But I was going through my stock picks and I saw Target, and I want to go over a very nice share play on Target. So straight up just buying shares, no call options. And I have a lot to go over. We have the RSI, we have these levels that I want to go in very in depth, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and then the daily setup zoom in, as well as the earnings play. So it had earnings, it dropped to that reaction, so we might, possibly have a buyback, like have that, um, what's it called? That temporarily emotion out of the play, the earnings, so we can potentially have a bounce. And especially it's similar to kind of like that Tesla play where it dropped on earnings, it bottomed out, and then it had a positive reaction after the earnings. So I'll be going over that. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to leave a like. I'm trying to approach a different strategy now on just shares. So just playing shares and not options, and I'm going to see how that goes. And Target is going to be my next play after the force. So subscribe with notifications on, and make sure to follow me on Twitter with live buy and sell alerts. So let's get started first on the weekly time frame. I want to take a look at the weekly time frame first because we have some very nice levels that I have made on tradingview.com. So the first level that we have is 178, which is a previous resistance. This is going to be like our price target type situation going on. And then our current level that we are sitting at right now for target is the 130 area, and that is a previous resistance and previous level. So it was a resistance, it broke out, and now it is kind of sitting at that level. So especially if we go on the daily time frame, we can see that this is this level that we are sitting at a previous high. So once you go back on the weekly time frame, these are our two levels, and then we have another level down below. So if we break this, that's going to be our stop loss. Then we have more room to the downside and over here. So this play looks nice on the weekly time frame. We are at a level, and then I want to take a look at the RSI. So RSI again is the indicator that tells us when a stock is overbought or oversold, and we can see that we have some nice confirmation on the RSI. So the RSI is looking good on the weekly time frame. Now let's get onto the daily. The daily looks very nice, especially for the RSI. The RSI is kind of curving. We have been dropping very hard for the past few days with the earnings reaction, and now it's starting to make higher lows. So this is a bullish scene. This is where I'm going to be buying shares right at market open for target. And then our stop loss is going to be close below this low. So this is going to be our stop loss, because if we break this, it's a bear flag. We're breaking that trend. So this is going to be our stop loss, the wick below here. So we're going to have a very chill stop loss of around 7%, which is nice. And then if we take a look at the daily, I love the volume confirmation. Okay, this volume confirmation is telling me a lot. If you guys remember with like a while ago with the AMC short squeeze, we got an AMC very early at like $3, and the main giveaway for us for that play was volume. Okay, if you guys remember that, have been following me for that while, but I love this volume play on target. Okay, this was the selling point for me that made me make the video right now at 1 a.m. Right now, I love this volume, as you can see right at these candlesticks, and then we're making higher lows. So I just love this volume confirmation on the daily time frame. Let's remove that, and then the RSI looks good. Now as for price target, I'm taking a look at Honestly, this could be a nice solid 10%. I'm looking at 34% like this to be our max price target. But other than that, I'm taking a look. This could be an easy 5%, but I think my target, I want it to be a nice 10%. But it kind of really depends upon what really happens. I don't have a set price target in mind. We also have this gap here, so that could also be a nice around 10%. So 10% is my conservative price target right now for Target. But overall, that is pretty much it. It looks like a very nice play, especially something for long term, like grabbing in shares right now and then just having a stop loss, like a low stop, like it doesn't hurt, honestly. So I love the risk to reward with this play, and this looks like a nice couple of week, couple month swing. You can probably scalp this out for like 10% in like 2 weeks, or hold it out, potentially test this level, and that could be a nice play. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video, went over. Um, Hope you guys kind of understood the basic psychological idea. And thank you for watching. Subscribe with notifications on. Really a tough battle with hitting 5,000 subscribers. I would really, really appreciate it, especially since we have made over 350 videos, and it has been almost 3 years now. So would really, really appreciate a subscribe, and see you guys later. Take care.